Charlie from London. Hello, I am Charlie from London. Hello, I am Charlie from London. Come inside to meet my family and my friends. Hello, I am Charlie. I am 7 years old. I am beautiful and the beautiful car green bushes. Is you lucky bushes? We not see it right now. Look at his ticking clock is going to be bad. What is it now? Oh, it's going to be bad. Ouch! 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 It goes like this. Dun, dun, dun. Wow! It's amazing it was. The apple and bunted bushes. And then you have poor and motion like a French room. Do you like it, monks? Is no one time one more? Oh, in the kitchen there is a cat and a rabbit. Do you like it? Children, Miss Nellie's love the flowers, and one daddy is the apple, and Mona is scattered melons. Do you like it, looks? In the front, in the big stone and fronts. Do you like it? My cat is sick in the morning because it's tired right now. It's sleeping. My cat sleeping, tired. My friends and all the time go to school because we are happy. Ça va Pierre? Ça va? Oui, oui, ça va. Mais as long as it's all just. And we are like French. And French is boy and girl. So sit all the toys on the middle room. Do you like it? He threw the bike. It's not my fault. He threw the bike all one kind. And I don't know where it is. I want to ride the bike. When I ride the bike, all, try. And I did not ride the bike, try like her. Long through. My mother then sing Apple and Trishy. It's not beautifulness, and the house is kitchen bright blooms. I'm too happy. Well, it's all sticky. It's a tissue dry blue. And I'm more spoomy. Baby, I'm happy. It's so cold right now. It's water is so cold because it's so cold right now. It's not my fault. It's so cold and we're sleeping. And Savannah is the kitchen in the morning. Brandon! Wow! Brandon! He split on three dishes. In the good Brandon juice. Rana is the best and the plate is so clean. Rana is finished the lecture. Bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Chocolate. Goodbye, chocolate.